Ahoy and welcome everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the brake light on my 2010 Mazda 6, and we're going to be taking it from looking like this to looking like this. It's a super simple fix, let's get into it. The brake light lenses on these models are known to be defective and can fall off at random times while driving, and that's exactly what happened to me. Lucky for me, I was able to pick up a replacement assembly at a pick and pull nearby, and wouldn't you know it, the brake lens on this one was also coming apart. So I'm going to give it a quick seal with this JB Weld clear weld for plastic. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to put some pressure on it and let it sit overnight. Now that our assembly is good and cured, we can get it installed into the car. Getting the old assembly out is super simple. First, we have to take off this panel here. There are a couple plastic fasteners holding this molding in place. We're going to need to remove those to get access to our brake light. Now that we have this plastic panel removed, we can fold back the carpet molding to reveal the backside of our brake light. There are two plugs back here we're going to need to disconnect. One is for the blinker and one is for the brake light. After those are disconnected, we can get a 10mm wrench and loosen these 10mm nuts that are holding our brake light into place. Now there's nothing else holding the brake light into place except for this small slip fastener on the corner of the brake light. All we have to do is give it a little push from the back and it'll pop right out. Now reinstallation is super easy. All we have to do is push the brake light back into place, making sure that these studs line up with the holes. You'll hear it pop into place, and that's a good time to grab the nuts and start threading those on. Tighten those up with your 10mm, and all we have to do now is reconnect our plugs. Now before we put any of the trim back, now's a good time to test our brake and turn signal to make sure everything is working properly. My turn signal worked perfectly, but my brake light was not. All we have to do to fix that is go back to our brown plug, twist that counterclockwise, and we'll have our bulb right here. The bulb I'm replacing mine with is number 3075. It might be different for yours, but double check. And there we go, our brake light is now working. Go ahead and now put your trim panel back in and your plastic fasteners, and you are all set with this job. If you need to replace the passenger side of the vehicle, it's exactly the same as the driver's side. That is everything you need to do to replace your brake light assembly on your 2009 to 2013 Honda 6. Thank you very much for watching. If that was helpful for you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.